Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Allegheny County in western Maryland, west central Morgan County in the Panhandle of West Virginia, east central Mineral County in eastern West Virginia, north central Hampshire County in eastern West Virginia, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fort Ashby, Oregon, 7 miles southeast of Bel Air, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Paw Paw, Fort Ashby, Green Spring, Old Town, Spring Gap, Patterson Creek, Levels, Wagoner, Pumpkin Center, Green Ridge, and Magnolia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.